Hello and welcome to HRReportingTools.com YouTube channel. My name is Dinesh Natarajan Mohan and I've been publishing spreadsheet-based templates on a channel called INDZARA since 2013. Since there is so much to cover just in the human resources domain, I've decided to start this channel. And this channel will be fully focused only on human resources related tools and templates. The following are the topics that I plan to cover in this channel. HRRT products and demos, which is where I will share the products that we offer from HRReportingTools.com and its demos. HR metrics, where I will talk about the calculation, purpose, and also the usage of more than 100 HR metrics. I will also cover HR reports, where I will share details on the purpose, components, and requirements for good, effective HR reports. And finally, I will cover tips and tutorials on how to extend our solutions further very easily using simple steps. This channel is designed for HR decision makers like you. So please share your feedback on what content, what topics will be helpful for you in this channel. I will definitely make a video for you. I believe this channel will be of value to HR decision makers. So please share this with your colleagues and also subscribe to this channel. Please check out the videos on this channel as well as visit HRReportingTools.com for more information. I'll see you soon in another video. Thank you so much for watching.